Hi guys, how did you like the other two videos? Were they useful? I really hope so. This is the third one, and in this one we're going to study countable, uncountable, and plurals. Okay, so let's go and have a look. Well, as I told you before, we're going to study countable and uncountable nouns. But teacher, what is the difference between one and the other? Well, it's very easy. Countable nouns are things that we can count. For example, we can count students, we can count teachers, we can count chairs, okay? Or as Sarah penciling here, we can count books, okay? So every time that we can use numbers, we're talking about countable nouns, okay? When we're talking about uncountable, it means that we cannot say 1, 2, 3, 4. We need like units of measurement, okay? Can you imagine, for example, saying we're going to the restaurant and telling the waiter, could you please bring me 10,000 drops of water into a glass? You don't say that. You ask for a glass of water. We don't care how many drops are in it. Okay? Or when you ask for spaghetti, do you ask for, I don't know, 58 spaghettis? No, you ask for spaghetti, and that's it. Okay? When you're going to prepare gallo pinto, are you going to mix 10,000 grains of rice and 5,000 beans? No, you're going to mix 2 cups of rice with 1 cup of beans, or just to mention an amount, okay? But you don't count grains. Okay, so basically that's the difference between countable and uncountable. For countable, we can say the number of units, okay? But with uncountable, we do not mention the number of units that we're going to need. We mention the measurement units: a spoon, a cup, a bowl, okay? When you're having coffee or tea, you use 1 teaspoon of sugar or 2 teaspoons of sugar. You don't count the grains of sugar. But teacher, can you give us some examples of uncountable nouns? Yes, of course. For example, when we're talking about liquids, water, milk, juice, okay? When we're talking about grains, beans, rice, lentils, chickpeas, sugar, salt, okay? When we're talking about things that you need to cut in order to buy them, like cheese, okay? When you go to the supermarket and you ask for cheese, they're going to ask you, yes, how much do you want? A kilo, a package, okay? So when we're talking about these things that need to be more specific, we're talking about uncountables. For example, ice cream. When you have a bucket of ice cream, you're having a bucket, okay? Or a jar or a box, or I don't know. But when you're talking about cremoleta, you're talking about an ice cream, okay? An individual ice cream, because it's a cremoleta, okay? Now it's time for you to practice. I'm going to give you some exercises in here, and after a few seconds, we're going to check them, okay? Okay, guys, you have 60 seconds to complete this exercise. No pressure, right? 30 seconds left. I repeat, 30 seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. There you have your answers. Now we're talking about the plural forms. As in Spanish, most of the times we're just going to add s at the end of the word. Okay, for example, book, books, pencil, pencils, orange, oranges, chair, chairs. But there are some exceptions, right? As always. So when the word ends in s, double s, sh, ch, or x, we're going to add es at the end of the word. Box, boxes, class, classes, bush, bushes, match, matches, bus, buses. When the word ends in consonant plus y, we're going to drop the y and we're going to write ies. City, cities, duty, duties, puppy, puppies. When the word ends in f or fe, we're going to change it into ves. Knife, knives, life, lives, leaf, leaves, shelf, shelves. And as always, there are some words that are irregular. And again, please don't hate me, but you have to memorize this. Okay? Ship is going to be ship, the same. Goose, geese. Woman, women. Child, children. Foot, feet. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Person, people. Tooth, teeth. Cactus, cacti. And fish is going to be the same, fish. Guess what? Yes, practice. Now you're going to have another 60 seconds to complete this exercise. "30 seconds left." Five, four, three, two, one. There you have your answers. This was today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Try to study, please, and be prepared for your next exams, okay? Bye. Hope to see you soon.